Welcome to PaleoTube. Today we have another fossil preparation video of a piece that we prepared a couple of months ago at Emanya Fossil Preparation and Conservation. So let's get stuck in. We start by grinding down the matrix bit by bit. The small area is chosen as an exploratory window to find the surface of the fossil. We know that the fish will be in this area as the block is in two parts and the fish is visible in the cross section. From this, the approximate size and location of some of the features are identified, such as the PVLs, or the posterior ventrolateral plates. And you can see this sharpened on the surface of the rock. The grinder is used until the surface is found, and then air pens are used to expose the fossil further. From this then, the window is gradually expanded, and the same process is repeated. This fish is a Coccosteus, a Devonian fish about 380 to 400 million years old. They were placoderms, fish with bony armoured plates protecting their bodies. They were mostly thought to have been freshwater fish. These ones in particular lived in a huge lake called Lake Orcadia in Scotland. Throughout this prep, Alison used 4 pneumatic tools, 2 pens from Zoet Paleotech, the Balaur with the 0.5mm point tip for fine detail, and the Maia with the 2mm chisel, and the Mannion AG and DG Grinders. The bobbly texture that you can see starting to appear there is called pustular ornamentation, and it occurs on all of the main plates, like this, the median dorsal plate. And if you look at the dark surface being revealed between the plates, this is actually the soft tissue of the body. So here we're moving on to the second block, using the same technique here, grinding down through the matrix to find the fossil, but it's much closer to the surface this time, so it doesn't take nearly as long. As we skip forward a bit, the head is becoming exposed. You can see that same postural ornamentation on the head plates. And we're starting to see recognisable features, like the eye for the first time. Moving back to the tail, this was quite interesting. We actually have the claspers here. These were the reproductive organs, like those that sharks have today. And a lot of placoderms have them too. This shows that this specimen is actually a male. You can see there moving backwards towards the tail, grinding down bit by bit, penning detail, grinding further, penning, repeating over and over again, exposing that column of vertebrae that looks very similar to those that you'd see in modern fish. And the small grinder is used to smooth the edges and make this lovely deep halo, the halo being the name for the sharp depression that surrounds the fossil. Here we see finishing off some of the details of the eye. Now that we've uncovered the tail, we can actually see that the caudal fin is missing. This probably happened during preservation. Despite this, this fish is actually a very complete specimen. As we finish up before sticking the 2 blocks together, the detail of some of the ornamentation is brought out and that of the claspers. Then we cut off the excess. And stuck the 2 pieces back together and ground down that middle section all the way and slowly expose the details, uniting the head and the tail together. All in all, it took about 107 hours to complete, and it's one of the longest preparations we've done here at Emanya, but the completed product was truly spectacular. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more fossil preparation breakdowns.